school. Mama walks in and wake up Eva. Wake up Eva, you're getting late for school. Go and get ready. Just then the fairy walked in and said, Eva, it's a good touch. This is safe. And said, Eva, this is a bad touch. This is not good. You must not allow this. Uncle, don't pull my cheeks like that. It hurts me. I don't like it. Please don't do it again.
Good morning, one and all. This is Meghina. I am studying in 10th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from Einstein Group. Today, I want to say about good touch and bad touch. There are two types of touches: good touch and bad touch. Good touch is the touch which makes you feel comfortable. For example, if mother touches you or kisses you, it is a good touch. When father touches you or hugs you, it is a good touch. When grandmother or grandfather touches you, it is a good touch. Bad touch is the touch which makes you feel uncomfortable. Bad touch makes you feel uncomfortable. Bad touch, for example, bad touch makes you hurt. If someone touches you forcefully, then it is a bad touch. If someone touches you in the place you don't want it to be touched, then it is a bad touch. And bad touch is the touch if strangers touches you and say that don't say to anyone, then it is a bad touch. Thank you, Manindra. I hope you understood what is good touch and bad touch. Have a great.
Good morning, Manana. I am Alexia. I am studying in 5th grade in Phoenix Global School. I am from normal group. Today I am saying about good touch and bad touch. Good touch. If feel you good for hugging and kissing by a people you love. For example, when mom want to kiss and hug when woke up daily. When dad gives a good night hug and kisses. When grandpa and grandma come to visit and everyone gives hugs and kisses. Bad touch. Bad touch is a not uncomfortably. The person who touches you in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable. If the person touches you in any part of the body, you feel uncomfortable. Kinds of touches. There are 3 types of touches. Safe touch. This is the touch when the
In the early morning, Ria getting late for school. Mama walks and wakes up Ria. Ria, wake up. You are getting late for school. Go and get ready. Ria gets ready to go to school. She wears a bag and a water bottle and going to school for some time. Before going to school, she wants to take some flowers to her teacher. So he asked Malikaka, Malikaka, please give me some flowers. I want to give to my teacher. Here you go, Ria, and have a good day in your school. Then the fairy walks and says, Ria, this is a good touch. It is safe. It is a good touch. If you are facing much problem, you have to inform to your parents, teachers, or you have to call to childline number 1098. So today we want to give awareness about this safe touch.
Good morning to Anita. My name is Srivanti. I am studying in school. We are from Oxford. We are telling about good touch and bad touch. Good morning to everyone. My name is Navya. I am studying in 4th grade in Phoenix Global School. Today mummy or daddy touch me, that is a good touch. I will tell about bad touch. What is bad touch? Bad touch. When we don't know any people, they touch me, we get irritated. That is called bad touch. I will tell one example. This is my lips. They have speaking clearly, and they have kiss or mother, daddy kiss. But when a teacher or uncle or auntie asks kiss, I will do flying kiss. I will not do any kiss that. I will save my lips. Now I will tell about chest. When I take bath, I will clean my chest. When uncle or auntie or teachers touch my chest, I tell to them no. Thank you and have a nice day.
In any way, that is called as a bad touch, uncomfortable. And here we keep us. And in this good touch and bad touch, there are kinds of touches: safe touch, unsafe touch, and unwanted touch. Safe touch means if our parents or else relatives touches us, we feel happy. This is the safe touch. And unsafe touch means if a person or else any other persons if touches us or pinching, pushing, anything, we feel very uncomfortable. And unwanted touch. Unwanted touch means if a person or any other people touches us in unwanted places, we feel very uncomfortable and unsecured. Person touches us in unwanted places, we can say no. Here we